para sa ating girls. Please give way. And please introduce yourself first.
Hi! I'm Racy Salman, Montemayor Ermino, ang simple slayer ng Caloocan City!
Alright, bunot ka na. Sino ang judge na magtatanong sa iyo? Bigay kayo ng shade. And again, kasing pretty mo din, Miss Meredith Bobadilla. May special request for our contestant number 6. Gusto mo ba English? Yes, in English. Hello, how are you?
I'm okay.
Okay, so are you ready to answer your question?
Ready po.
Okay. What is the most important lesson you learned from your parents? And why is it important to you?
The most important lesson my parents taught me is always to be respectful to younger people or to older people, because to older people we should all bless, and to younger people we should be nice to them and help them always, but we should help each other always. That is why we should all be nice to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 6. Miss Meredith, pwede na natin isalang sa ano to, no? Mga future beauty queen.